Guys, welcome back to another unboxing video here in my channel, and today we will unbox this cute TKL mechanical keyboard, which is the ACO Luna and Artemis keyboard Sailor Moon Crystal. But first, let's not forget to always clean our hands for us to be safe and sanitize all the packages you receive. Let's start with the box. If you're not familiar with Sailor Moon TV animation series, Luna is the female black-purple cat, the advisor of Sailor Moon, while Artemis is the male white cat, the advisor of Sailor Venus. These two talking cats are a couple and they both have a daughter named Diana. This is the most adorable keyboard box I have ever seen because of the pink color and the cute little paw prints in here. At this side, we can see the type of switch, and we got ACO Orange switch, a tactile switch equivalent to MX Brown. They also have lots of switches available like ACO Pink, ACO Blue, ACO Orange, Cherry Red, Cherry Blue, and Cherry Brown. Here we have a QR code and some company logos. Let's try if this QR will still work. But this one didn't work for me. We can also see a familiar logo in here, the Toei Animation, the creator of famous animes like One Piece, Dragon Ball, Slam Dunk, and of course Sailor Moon. Let's now unbox this. First thing that we can see when we open the box is the keyboard itself. Let's put this aside first. Here is the user manual for both ACO 3108 and 3087 models. The model that we have is 3087. The QR code didn't also work. Let's have a quick look inside. It has a Mandarin and English translation. Here are the technical specifications, system commands, macro setup instruction, and warranty service statement. Here we have a Type-C cable in all pink color including the Velcro used, and it also has a logo of ACO. Both ends of cable are also pink, and this keyboard is now using a Type-C connector, which is a good thing. It also has a logo of ACO in it. At the other end is the USB that will be connected to our laptop or desktop. It also has a ACO logo. We also have a wire keycap puller if you want to change the keycaps. This color perfectly matches our Sailor Moon desk mat. Plus is these 3 pieces novelty cute keycaps with Luna, Artemis, and a ribbon for enter key. These are made with 85% PBT and dye sublimation. So we have novelty keycaps, cable, wire keycap puller, and user manual. And now we're going to the keyboard itself. It already includes plastic dust cover, so we don't want to throw that out since that is very useful. I was so amazed with how the color of the case and keycaps blends well with each other, and the shade of this pink is really eye-catching, and I think even those who don't like pink will find this cute also. Legends in each keycaps are printed in darker shade of pink, and I think these keycaps are already cute enough to be replaced with other keycap set. My most favorite part in here is this cute paw prints in arrow keys. I was shocked how contrasting the adorable look with its weight because this is much heavier compared to my other keyboards, which makes it more feel durable. At the back, we can see the Sailor Moon Crystal logo and the model of this keyboard 3087. It has 4 rubber pads with the same color to the keyboard case, and these pads will prevent your keyboard from sliding when used. It also has a 2-level adjustable feet with rubber tips attached already, which is a good thing also because other keyboards don't have this. In total, it has 3 level angles. It also has cable holder at the back if you want to place your cable at the left, middle, or right side. At the middle is where the Type-C port is located. Let's check the weight of this TKL keyboard. In our weight check, it reads 966.2 grams. Let's compare it to my other TKL keyboard. This is the Royal Clutch G87. Akko is heavier with 239 grams. Let's also compare it to my 65% Keychron K6 keyboard with aluminum bezels. By the way, Akko keyboard is made of plastic material. Akko is still heavier by 254 grams. Let's check Appa's weight. Keyboard with this new pink Model O Glorious Gaming Mouse. I won this from Facebook Live giveaway of Rotobox Philippines. They are the official distributor of these brands. Last time, I bought some of my Taihao keycaps from their shop and they are very accommodating seller based on my experience. You can buy this from Rotobox PH, Shopee, or Lazada shop. I will also put the link below, and it has 2 variants, Model O and O-. O- is smaller than this one. Make sure to buy it only in authorized resellers so you can avail the 2 years warranty of this mouse. This is the special edition mouse of Glorious PC Gaming Race. The texture is matte and the color is baby pink. The weight is 67 grams and this is perfect for gaming, especially on FPS games. It has a unique look with its holes and some people like it and some don't. This design makes the weight lighter. It has a total of 6 buttons, 4 different PPI levels, and 9 lighting effects in physical settings. Additional settings can be done through the software that you can download from PC Gaming Race website.